Hi there, students. Bailiwick. I've also heard it pronounced Bailiwick. I would probably go for Bailiwick because it comes from the word bailiff. Okay, Bailiwick is a noun, a countable noun. The technical meaning of this is the district where a bailiff has jurisdiction. For example, the Bailiwick of Jersey or the Bailiwick of Guernsey. These are the Channel Islands, which are British territory near France. So it's a district where the bailiff, effectively the law, has jurisdiction. But we need to be able to use this word, and we can just use this word to mean the scope of something, somebody's sphere of operations, yeah, their area of authority or their area of skill. So computers are not my bailiwick. So do you think you could help me with this? Yeah, I'm not skilled at this. The things you're asking me to do are beyond the bailiwick of my job description. Okay, so bailiwick, a person's special field of interest, their area of authority, their area of skill. Yeah. I guess sales representatives. Each one has their own different bailiwick, their area where they work. Different departments in a country have different bailiwicks. Yeah. Okay, so bailiwick, the area that a person or an organization is interested in, is responsible for, or has control over. So this is outside my bailiwick. It's outside my sphere of authority. This is outside what I'm allowed to do. Okay, and that's the idea of bailiwick. It's beyond my scope, beyond my discipline, beyond my field of study, beyond my area, beyond my domain, my realm, my territory. Okay, and that's the idea, that a bailiwick. Yeah, it's the area of responsibility or area of knowledge. So the bailiwick of this company is telecommunications. Yeah, so something to do with legal matters is beyond their bailiwick. Yeah, it's beyond their sphere of interest, beyond their sphere of influence. Formality, that's a difficult one. This is beyond my bailiwick. I would use, let's see, firstly, I think I would use this word in a business context. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think informally, just use the word area. Let's see, use it in a semi-formal conversation, particularly a business conversation. I think it's a great word to use. Use it in a semi-formal writing. You could use it in an email or something like that as well, or a formal piece of writing as well. Okay, so bailiwick. As to origin, well, it comes from the word bailey, which is the a bailiff, yeah. Okay, which in French was the person in charge of a piece of land, the steward, yeah. The bailiff in the UK nowadays is the person who's responsible for doing what the court orders. Yeah, he's the person who actually enforces it. Yeah, so he's like the laws enforcer. Yeah. And then wick, the word wick, talks about either a house or a village. So effectively, the bailiff of the village, yeah, the person who's in charge of an area. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bailiwick.